these are the alphabet, Arabic alphabet and their makharij. That means the place where they come from. So we will start inshallah with alif again, and this is our vision. So alif come from empty space of your mouth and throat. As you can see, the blue area and the green area, they both are empty places in your mouth and in your throat. And it comes that, like we say, alif. It's a bit sharp. Alif, 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 alif. This sound comes in the end because this letter, we use 3 letters to write this letter's name. Alif, lam and fa. Alif, alif. So this is the letter alif. We need to remember. Let your children please remember, revise, look at the picture, show them, discuss with them. In the picture, as you can see, the arrow for the blue area where the voice box open, and the ear, these letters, this one alif and waw and ya with schoon, waw and ya with schoon, they come from the empty space of mouth and throat. We need to remember that. Write down the notes with your child. Sit and write down so they know, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.